My name is Christy Kane. I am a Salesforce administrator and beginner developer, and I'm happy to share with you today a quick video on how I created a flow to count the number of document files attached to an account. So I started the auto-launched flow with the get the account ID, and I've taken the ID and assigned it to a text variable. And I only wanted the first record. And even though I don't really need the other fields, I automatically stored all fields because that was easy. And then I got records of get content ID link for the content document link. And initially when I started this flow, I was trying to take the content link ID to tie it to the account node content ID that I'd just gotten. However, it was really the linked entity ID field that I needed. So it wasn't working for me at first, and I got it working by doing that. And of course, this is a collection. I want to know all records that are tied to the account. And then I needed a decision. And the decision was, hey, did it find null? Because I was having issues when it was finding that there were no records at all. So the decision is it null from the get content node link? If that's true, then I'm having it update the account record to 0. And I created a number variable to set that to 0 to update my field on the account, number of files attached. If it does not find null, so greater than no files, then I needed to loop through that collection that I got up here, and I am assigning it by doing the equals count from the get content ID node and assigning it to a variable that I created for the number of documents. After it loops through and does the count, I'm back to updating that initial account ID. As we see, I've also pulled the ID equals that initial record ID. And I want to take that variable that I assigned all of those document numbers to update my field with the count of how many documents are tied to the account. I hope that this video was helpful for you.